The AI image generator called Nano Banana is exploding in popularity right now. People everywhere are creating absolutely stunning, professional-looking images with it. For example, here's a man sitting all alone in a cafe. He looks a little lonely, right? But with Nano Banana, we can instantly add this stylish woman to strike up a conversation. Just like that, the entire mood of the scene changes. Now let's push it further. What if we wanted a cinematic portrait of this man standing next to a sports car? No problem anymore. Nano Banana makes it effortless. Or imagine you have a still image, and you want to turn it into a video-like sequence. You'd need different camera angles, but you'd also want consistency in characters and objects. With Nano Banana, you can create all those variations without losing any detail or style. Here's another use case. What if we want this woman to hold a perfume bottle and turn the photo into an advertisement? Again, super easy, and it takes just a single click. All of this is possible with the Nano Banana model, which is now officially known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. The best part, it's completely free to use on Google's AI Studio. And here's the crazy part. When compared to other top image generation models on the global leaderboard, Nano Banana is currently ranked number 1. To get started with Nano Banana, just head over to Google AI Studio, open a new chat tab, and make sure to select the Nano Banana model. From there, simply type in a text prompt, and Nano Banana will instantly generate your image. The best part is, Google automatically saves your generated images. That means you can easily go back, pick one, and refine it further with another text prompt. In just a few clicks, you can create, edit, and remix images without losing consistency or quality. But it doesn't stop there. We can even upload 2 separate images and tell Nano Banana exactly how to combine them. The model will merge them into any creative final style you want. This unlocks endless possibilities for businesses. For example, you can take a simple UGC-style photo, and with just one click, transform it into a UGC-style video. Alright, coming up in just a bit, the Veo 3 model will generate an engaging UGC video we can use directly for our business. Pretty awesome, right? But that's not all. We also built a fully functional n8n workflow that automates everything we just did. It includes 3 main tasks, and together they showcase the full power of Nano Banana. The first task is generating images directly with the Nano Banana model. And here's the cool part. It all starts from just a single Telegram message. The workflow is smart enough to auto-detect exactly what we want to do. Whether it's generating a brand new image, editing an image with text, or even editing one image using another, Nano Banana handles it all. As you can see here, we've sent a Telegram message with just a prompt. The workflow instantly understands we want to create a new image. And within moments, Nano Banana delivers a high-quality result that looks as good as the best models out there. Now, let's take a closer look at how the workflow actually achieves this. First, we have a Telegram trigger node that listens for new messages coming from your Telegram bot. So make sure you create your own bot and connect it to this node. Once you're in production mode, the bot will listen to your messages in real time. Every message you send to the bot comes with metadata and the text itself. After receiving the message, the workflow uses a filter node. This ensures we only process real user messages, not bot commands, like /start. If the message is a command, it simply gets ignored. From there, the workflow moves to an if node to decide the next step. The if node is where the workflow decides which task to perform next. If the new message includes a reply to message object, that means we want to edit an existing image by replying directly to it. Otherwise, if there's no reply object, it means we send a direct message to the bot, so the workflow will treat it as a prompt for generating a brand new image. In our case, we only sent a direct message, so there's no reply object under the message field. That means the if node follows the true branch and continues with the next step. Next, we use an edit node to rename our text message field to prompt, just to keep things clean. That prompt is then passed into an HTTP request node, and this is where the magic happens. Here we call Gemini to use the Nano Banana model. We send a post request to the Gemini API endpoint. To set this up, you can copy the curl template from the AI Studio API key page. This is also where you'll need to generate your API key, so make sure you have one ready. After importing the curl into our HTTP request node, we update the endpoint to point to Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, which is the Nano Banana model. Then we paste in our API key from AI Studio. In the request body, we simply pass the prompt value from the previous node into the text field. Once this node finishes running, the output returns JSON data. Inside that JSON, the generated image is stored as a base64 string. Now to actually view and use this image, we need to convert that base64 string into a file. Luckily, n8n already has a built-in convert to file node. Here we just take the data from the previous step and transform it into an image file. Finally, the image file is passed to a Telegram node. This node is responsible for sending the image back to a specific Telegram chat. Make sure to fill in your bot credentials and use the chat ID, which we can get from the original Telegram trigger node. That chat ID ensures the image is sent back to the same chat where we typed our prompt. We configure it to send back a binary file, which in this case is our generated image. And just like that, the whole process is complete. Alright, that's how we generate high-quality images with Nano Banana from a single Telegram message, fully automated inside n8n. Next, let's move on to task 2, which is editing an image with a text prompt. To do this, we simply reply to the image we want to edit. For example, let's say we want to change the color of this perfume bottle to blue. Once we send the reply, the workflow automatically detects that we're editing an image with text. It then follows the correct branch for image editing. And within seconds, we get the updated version we need. Just like that. So how does the workflow handle this behind the scenes? It all starts again with the Telegram trigger node listening for new messages. Since we replied to a photo, the new message now includes a reply to message object. This allows the if node to recognize we're not sending a direct prompt, but replying to an image. Because a reply object exists, the workflow follows the false branch. That branch leads to a switch node, which decides between two possible editing cases. Case 1, if we reply with only text, then the message won't include a new photo. In that case, the workflow runs the edit by text branch. And in the remaining case, if we reply to an image with another photo, the workflow will instead follow the edit image by image branch. We'll test that in just a bit. In our example, we replied with just text, so the edit by text branch is triggered. Here's what happens next. First, we download the original photo we're replying to using its file ID. Then we convert that photo into a base64 string. Now we can send both the base64 image data and our text prompt into the Nano Banana API. The API endpoint is the same one we used earlier for text-to-image generation. But this time, we add a new field called inline data, which includes the base64 data of the photo we want to edit. The API responds with new image data, also in base64 format. Just like before, we convert that data back into an image file. And finally, we send it back to our Telegram chat using the Telegram node. And that's it, an edited image delivered instantly, powered by Nano Banana. Next, let's look at the final case that Nano Banana can handle. And this one is extremely powerful. Here we're going to edit an image by using another image. Or put simply, we'll combine two images along with a prompt to create the final image we want. In our workflow, the way to do this is by replying to an image message with another photo plus a caption. Since we're running in dev mode, make sure to hit execute workflow so the Telegram trigger node is actively listening for new messages. Once we reply with the second photo, the workflow automatically runs the final branch and returns the result we're looking for. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's break down exactly how the workflow handles this. Since we replied to a photo with another photo, the new message now contains both a reply to message object and a new photo. That combination signals the switch node to follow the edit image by image branch. Inside this branch, we first use an edit node to extract all the key data we need. That includes the file ID from the original photo we're editing, the file ID from the new photo we used to reply, and of course the prompt, which is simply the caption from the new message. Because Telegram only returns file IDs for images, we use a Telegram node with the getFile operation to download both photos by their file IDs. As before, we need to convert each downloaded file into a base64 string. These base64 encoded images will be used in the body of our Nano Banana API request. To keep things clean, we run these downloads in parallel and then use a merge node. This ensures both photo files are fully downloaded and converted before moving on. Once both images are ready, we pass them into the edit image by image node. Here we call the Google Gemini API, using the Nano Banana model to combine the two images based on our prompt. The API endpoint is the same as before, but now the request body includes both images in base64 format along with the caption text as the prompt. The API then returns the result again in base64 format. Just like before, we convert that data back into a usable image file. Finally, the finished image is sent back to our Telegram bot. And that's it, a seamless, automated way to edit one image with another, or even combine two images with a prompt to create any creative result we want, fully automated inside n8n, using the Nano Banana model. Before we wrap up this lesson, there's one powerful improvement we can make to the image generation case. Right now, we always need to write out a fully detailed prompt to generate an image with Nano Banana. But to make our Telegram bot more user-friendly, with fewer steps and less effort, we can add an AI agent node before the Generate Image node. Let's go ahead and enable these nodes. Here's how it works. The AI agent node uses Gemini as its LLM to automatically expand simple keyword inputs into a fully detailed prompt. This means that instead of typing long prompts, we can just send a few keywords in our Telegram message. The AI agent will take those keywords, format them into a complete prompt, and pass it directly to the Generate Image node. To keep everything smooth, we simply configure it so the output returns only the text prompt, so it syncs perfectly with our existing workflow. That way, we don't need to modify anything else in the setup. Now let's test it out. We'll send just a few keywords to the Telegram bot. And after a moment, we get a polished, fully generated image without ever writing a long prompt ourselves. Awesome. If you're interested in building this yourself, or want a ready-to-use workflow, you can download and run right away. Make sure to check out Zero2Launch Premium Community. It's where we help members build, launch, and scale automation projects from the ground up, all at no cost. Inside, you'll get access to free and unlimited APIs that would normally cost you thousands for unlimited usage. And when you scale up, they'll save you millions. Plus, we're rolling out an all-in-one AI web app so you can use these AI tools, automation features, and more right away, no setup required. For example, we already have all-in-one YouTube tools. We even developed a tool for generating NSFW image content, and we've built the Zero2Launch AI Toolkit, packed with every AI tool and feature you need in one place. If you're ready to level up, join us in Zero2Launch Premium and start turning automation into your competitive advantage.